you will realize that most of these bridges which are giving way, they are quite very old bridges. If you look at Sezibwa Bridge, it was constructed way back, I think 1961 or 2. Katonga Bridge has been there for ages. The Pakwach Bridge, which I was talking about, has all gone. I mean, have all been very old. So what are we doing about this? We are coming up with the new designs. The new designs which will be able to accommodate the new challenges of the weather, the changing weather conditions. If you have also been observant, you'll see that even on most of our roads now, we are no longer doing this, we are no longer putting there these cylindrical culverts. In most of these areas, we are now doing box culverts. Box culverts are big culverts which enable excess water to pass. You remember the issue of Saka Bridge between Kaliro and Parisa? If you go there now, you'll find that we have redesigned that bridge and put a new structure because the demand now is different. If you travel on Parisa Road, for example, Tirinyi Parisa Road, you realize that in most of the swamp areas, what we have there now, box culverts. This is because of the challenge which of course have been presented by the weather conditions which are changing all the time. So these bridges, Katonga now is being redesigned. I know that there's been a lot of cry about we are taking long. Yeah, but we want to come up with a good product. We don't want to rush. This is a structure. It's a bridge. It's a structure. It's not like just putting a culvert and we go. So we have to come up with a structure which, as I've said, will be resilient and meet the requirements, especially of the weather. So please bear with us. Katonga now, we are doing a bypass. We have welded a steel bridge where we are going to enable the heavy trucks now to do a bypass as we finish designing and coming up with a new bridge, total for Katonga. The same on Kabula Soke, the Kabula Soke crossing at Choja. We are also going to redesign that place and have a bridge connecting Kabula Soke to Kalungu. So these the bridges which are there are really, they can no longer meet the demand. So Zizwa also is right now, as I speak, UNRWA has undertaken meeting some of the potential contractors to see what we do with it and it will be changed to meet the modern requirement. About the